Forge your inner armor.
Welcome to the Precision Sharpening track of the Inner Armor Training Matrix. Imagine reading faster and with greater ease, or reacting swiftly in a fast-paced sport. These aren't just hypotheticals, they're achievable goals through eye movement training. The benefits extend beyond improved vision to encompass better cognitive function, reduced eye strain, and a more balanced nervous system. In precision sharpening, we train our eyes in saccadic movements and pursuits to improve visual speed and accuracy, strengthening our autonomic nervous system. Saccades are quick, simultaneous eye movements that shift our point of focus, like when reading or scanning a scene. This requires a high degree of coordination between the eyes and rapid processing speed in the visual centers of our brain to synchronize the images. One of the most obvious benefits of efficient saccades is increasing reading speed and comprehension. Pursuits, on the other hand, are smooth movements that allow our eyes to follow moving objects. These are not just visual actions, but intricate brain-eye coordination tasks essential for our interaction with the world. Pursuits are crucial in activities where tracking moving objects is key, like sports or driving. By enhancing these movements, we refine our hand-eye coordination, reaction times, and spatial awareness. Training our eyes to perfect these movements can lead to remarkable improvements. It isn't just about seeing better, it's about processing visual information more effectively. Improving the ability of our eyes and visual systems to make these kinds of movements strongly influences our autonomic nervous system, promoting balance and reducing stress. As our visual processing becomes more efficient, our body's stress response diminishes, leading to a state of calm and focus, and improved psychological and physiological health. Research demonstrates the benefits of this training. Numerous studies have demonstrated that saccadic training improved reading speed and comprehension in students, and that athletes with superior pursuit abilities excelled in sports requiring quick visual tracking. Recent neurological research indicates that regular practice of these eye movements can maintain cognitive agility in older adults. The power of saccadic and pursuit training is profound. It's not just about enhancing visual skills. It's about enriching our entire physiological experience. By focusing on our eyes, we open doors to a world of improved performance, cognitive health, and autonomic harmony.